Hello students, our today's topic is assign tolerance group in customer and master vendor data. For that we can use transaction code BP. BP. Enter customer number. Five zero 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 zero. Click on start. 00. Customer number. Click on start button. Five zero 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 504. Double click on it. Change the BP role to FLUC00. Click on change button. Click on company code. Click on customer payment transaction and enter tolerance group ZTR1. Then save it. Come back. Again enter BP. Now enter our supplier number 20011. Click on start button, double click on it. Change our BP role to FLN00, FLVN00. Finance supplier. Click on change button, then click on company code and then click on payment transaction and enter tolerance group ZTR1. Press enter, then click on save button. Come back.